Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Android version and which launcher you use because actions differ. Once done, long press an empty area of the home screen and open Widgets. Drag the widget you want to edit onto the screen. Make sure your replacement icon file is accessible in Files or Gallery, preferably a PNG or adaptive icon. If your launcher supports direct editing, tap the widget now. Otherwise, prepare to use a shortcut or third-party app to change the icon. You now go into the widget's configuration. Tap the widget, choose Edit or Configure. If that option is missing, install a trusted shortcut maker or icon changer app and create a shortcut of the widget. Once in the editor, select your replacement image and choose Adaptive Icon when available because it preserves system masking. Crop to a 1:1 square or the size the launcher recommends. Make sure the image is centered. After applying, preview the result and adjust padding. You finish by applying changes and checking the home screen. If the icon does not update immediately, refresh the launcher or restart your device. Make sure to re-add the widget if the shortcut method replaced functionality. This preserves the widget's behavior. If problems persist, clear the launcher cache, reboot, and reapply the icon. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep a backup copy of your custom icon assets and notes about which launcher and method you used, because launcher updates can revert or alter custom icons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.